Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a charge port splitter for multi-standard compatibility, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. You will need a charge port splitter, a compatible power source, and a screwdriver. Ensure you have the correct splitter for your device's charging standards. Start by powering off your device completely. Unplug any existing charging cables from the device. Locate the charging port on your device. Carefully examine the splitter's input and output ports. Connect the input port of the splitter to the charging port of your device. Make sure the connection is secure and snug. Next, identify the power source for your splitter. Connect the output of the splitter to your chosen power source. Again, ensure that this connection is firm. Double-check that all connections are correct and secure. Turn on your device to test the connection. Observe whether the device begins charging. If it does not charge, recheck all connections for any loose ends. Consult the user manual for troubleshooting tips if necessary. Once everything is connected properly, monitor the charging speed. Ensure that it meets the compatibility standards for your device. Finally, keep the area around the device and splitter clear during charging. Congratulations, you have successfully installed a charge port splitter for multi-standard compatibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.